Hello friends, my name is Patel and welcome back to my channel Patel in Canada. Most people, especially first-time home buyers, don't know that there are many additional costs associated when they purchase the house. This is called house closing cost. Therefore, it is important to know all of this potential hidden cost so that you can complete your house closing process smoothly. I hope you will find this video valuable, so don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Many first-time homebuyers are surprised to find out how much they have to spend in addition to their down payment. So here is the list of top 13 closing costs. Number 1, home inspection. Number 2, appraisal fees. Number 3, land survey. Number 4, legal fees. Number 5, land transfer tax. Number 6, new home warranties. Number 7, mortgage default insurance. Number 8, mortgage life insurance. Number 9, title insurance. Number 10, home insurance. Number 11, sales tax. Number 12, utilities and property taxes. Number 13, moving cost. Now let me explain all of this in detail for better understanding. So let's start with number 1, home inspection fee. The average cost of home inspection is between $300 to $1,000 depending on the size of the house and the location. Consider the home inspection is an investment because this may save you thousands of dollars in case something is wrong with the property, such as structure issues, plumbing issues, and so on. The home inspector will inspect the property inside and outside. You can negotiate with the seller if there are problems found in the inspection. Sometimes sellers may already have home inspection done ahead of time to save potential buyers from having to hire their own inspector. Number 2 is appraisal fee. The average cost of appraisal fee is between $275 to $500 depending on the size and the location of the property. Here, the appraiser will inspect and check the conditions of the property, and they will compare the same with other properties that are sold recently in the market. Based on the comparison, they will be able to find out the fair market value of the property. The mortgage amount your lender will loan you will depend on the appraised market value of the home. You may request your lender to waive this fee. Let's see number 3, land survey. The average cost of land survey is between $1,000 to $2,000. Most of the time, lenders require a land survey that shows the property's boundaries. This will help to avoid any confusion with neighbors in the future. You may ask the seller to give you a copy of the land survey. You can also contact the local municipality to get the land survey copy. Now let's see number 4, legal fees. The average cost of lawyer legal fee is between $900 to $2,000. The real estate lawyer will perform all the legal paperwork. They will review all the legal documents, including the agreement of purchase and the mortgage. They will also ensure there are not any claims on the property. Number 5 is land transfer tax. Now, the land transfer tax is calculated based on the property value, and it is between 0.5% to 2.5% of the property value. You are responsible to pay this tax to the province when you are buying the property. Some municipalities such as Toronto will charge additional municipal land transfer tax. There are few places like Alberta, Nunavut, Saskatchewan, and Yukon where you don't need to pay the tax. Many provinces use a multi-tiered system to calculate the amount of tax. I will put the land transfer tax calculator link in the description for your reference. Number 6 is a new home warranties. This is only applicable when you buy a brand new home. These new home warranties are only mandatory in British Columbia, Ontario, and Quebec. And this warranty covers work and material defects as well as structure abnormalities. The cost of warranty varies based on the price of the home. For example, in Ontario, the fee is as low as $385 and as much as $1,800. The builder pays this and usually passes the cost on to you. Number 7 is mortgage default insurance. This insurance cost is in the range of 2.8% to 4% of the mortgage value. When you make less than 20% down payment, you are required to get mortgage default insurance. This is commonly known as CMHC insurance. This insurance protects the lender in the event the borrower is unable to make their mortgage payments. The premium you pay will depend on the down payment size. By making much larger down payment, your premium will be lower. Check in the description below where you can find the link to calculate the CMHC insurance cost. Number 8 is mortgage life insurance. When you get a mortgage, your lender will give you an option to buy mortgage life insurance, which is equal to the amount you owe. This charge is different from mortgage default insurance. Mortgage life insurance can give your family peace of mind in the event when you die. However, here the bank is the beneficiary and receive the funds. Also, the amount of coverage declines each time you make a mortgage payment. And if you decide to move your mortgage to another lender, you lose your coverage. Therefore, I always recommend buying your personal life insurance. Number 9 is title insurance. It is very important to get the title insurance, which protects you from the title defects, omissions, or error such as existing surveys or the public registry error. This type of insurance also protects you from the seller heirs who might try to claim your property after closing the deal. The cost of the title insurance will depend on whether you are buying a new or resale property, whether it is a house or condo, the value of the property, and the province or territory in which you reside, and so on. For example, if you buy a $500,000 single family home, which is a resale property, title insurance may cost around $180 in Alberta and $325 in Ontario. Number 10 is home insurance. The lender will not give you a mortgage without proof of home insurance. This insurance covers the damages related to your home such as flooding, fire, or windstorm damages. The cost of the home insurance policy depends on the location and coverage amount. You can shop around to get the best insurance quote. Number 11 is sales tax. So, when you buy a new home, you have to pay the GST or HST, and this will be an additional 15% to the purchase price. However, when you buy a new home, you may qualify for the GST HST new housing rebate. Just for your information, you do not have to pay any sales tax if the home was previously owned. GST HST also applies to all the services such as lawyer, home inspector, movers, and real estate agent commission. Number 12 is utilities and property taxes. Sometimes you may have to pay the previous owner for any utilities or property taxes which they have already paid in advance. These are called adjustments, and it includes water, hydro, and property taxes. This is to make sure that both the buyer and the seller only pay for the utilities and taxes for the period they own the property. So now let's look at the number 13, that is moving cost. The cost of moving depends on your situation. Let's say if you rent a truck and pack and move everything by yourself, then the cost will be lower. On the other hand, if you hire a moving company, then it will cost you more. So these are all the costs involved in addition to your down payment. Thank you for watching this video and be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts and questions about this video in the comment section. Thank you again, and I will see you guys in my next video.